Okay, quick guide on how to use the JSFL. First, make sure that your mouse symbol is formatted correctly. Each frame should be a different kind of mouth, and each one should be a symbol with different frames. Each symbol should also be named based on what kind of mouth it is. So the open mouth is A, the closed teeth mouth is S, the O mouth is O, the M or P mouth is M, and the FV mouth is F. There's also support for L and TH mouths, but I don't have any of these in this example symbol, so now, you may notice that this frame is called A-O, and the reason for that is that this is not just the same as the regular A mouth, where it just goes down like that. This is the one that transitions into the O mouth, so that's the reason for the name. Now, make sure that each of your individual mouth symbols only have 2 frames in them. It'll still work if you have more than 2 frames, but we'll just never use any frames after the second frame. If there's high enough demand for it, I will create a second version of the JSFL that allows for individual mouse symbols with more than just 2 frames. With that being said, also make sure that your frames are in the correct order. The open mouth should have the wider open mouth on the first frame and then more closed on the second. The S, F, TH, and L ones should also have the taller one first. The O mouth should have the more compressed one first and the less compressed, less out there one second. The M mouth you can just do whatever, I think. And finally, a mouth that transitions into an O mouth should have the one that's closer to the O mouth on the second frame. So once you have your mouths formatted correctly, all you have to do is select the frames you want synced, then import mouthmelt.jsfl into your Flash file, and there we have it. Since this is all just keyframes, you can edit it however you want. Like maybe I want this F mouth a little bit closer, and maybe change that a little. You can really just mess around with it however you want. Anyway, yes, that is the tutorial. Goodbye.